This video is to show how to winterize the outdoor sink. I have the water faucet in the on position outside. The hot and cold water is running. First, we connect the air hose to the air compressor. The PSI should be set at 45 pounds, 45 PSI. Then I have the air hose connected to the water valve. First step, I'll shut the water off. Shut off the hot and the cold water going to the outdoor sink. Next, I'll open the valves to let the air push the water out of the water lines. So now there's 45 pounds of air pressure pushing all that water outside. I had left the water valve in the on position to allow that water to pass through and to eliminate a trip outside, so that water can just run freely until you come down to the basement, shut the water off. Your water supply comes down through the joists, comes down into these two valves. So we have cold water valve and a hot water valve. Both these valves are now in the off position. There's no more water coming into the lines. Those two pipes, they go up and outside. Those pipes are not protected from the cold weather. They will freeze if there's water in the lines. So it's important to blow this water out anytime the temperatures are below 32 degrees. The air is still passing through. It's recommended to leave the air just flow through the water line for about 5 minutes. And once again, that air hose is connected to the tank and it's pushing the air out at 45 pounds per square inch, 45 PSI. So now it's been about 2.5 minutes. I'll go ahead, shut the water off. I will disconnect the air valve, and the next step would be to remove this nipple. So now I have this quick connect. I just unthreaded that fitting there. Now I'll open these valves again just to drain out any last little bit of water, which it looks like it did a great job. There's not even one single drop of water coming out. The next step, I'll thread on this safety cap, just so that for some reason, so now the safety cap is on. Just in case for some reason somebody would happen to turn these valves on, or those valves on, it will just prevent water from flooding the basement. I'll leave these two valves in the off position. These two valves in the off position. And the next step, I'll go outside and disassemble the trap and just leave it apart so that no water can go in there, freeze, and break the trap. And that's it.